Hope you guys can see my screen, right?
Yes, very well.
All right, so now let's go to the app. Now, those of you who subscribe for Forex, it's very simple. Now, you can read through all these things. I believe all of us went to primary and secondary school. You guys can read this. This is for the voice command. Yes, or it's very simple. Touch the mic. This is the mic. Touch the mic and say the command. Look at the command. If it's easy for Forex, you just say show command list. It will bring out all the list of command. Like right now below this, these are all the list of command. If you can read all these things to know the commands for, to know more about Bekenet software, kindly make a statement with this. Just tap here. You just say this word, trading software. It will tell you everything about the software. So the same thing with all the menus here. If you want to go to risk management, the same thing. If you read this thing, just say this word, risk management. It will load the page for you. The same way with it, everything you're seeing here can be done with your voice command. If you're looking for signal, just like the signal I got this morning, the signal I got from this month, this is where I got it. Check bullish move. Look at it. If you want to get signal from smash 100 pip, look at it. So I just say this word. Here is bullish move. Check once you have tapped this thing. If you tap this thing, you see it is ready. Please speak to the mic. This word. You check for bullish move. Very simple as ABC. Then if you are a synthetic trader, all you need to do, just say this command word. Tap the mic, say this word. It will load synthetic command for you here. You just say the word. Simple as ABC. So let me know if you understand what I just said now before we move on.
I do. I've tried it before this morning.
Good morning. Is it clear for the voice command? Is it clear?
Very clear. I've tried it already this morning.
Okay, you've understood it now. Fine. Okay, now let's go to the manual aspect, the manual and the automated aspect, so that you guys can be getting notification and all that. So there are two things in the software. You understand? We have the all right, guys. Sorry, I had a call before. So now let's go to the main thing. I had a call before. Let me see if this thing is still recording. Are you guys still seeing my screen?
Yeah, very well.
All right, I had a call before, so okay. Now you guys should understand something. This software is divided into two, even if it's for pro and beginner. So the Smash 100 is for anybody. The software will be able to tell you when to buy and when to sell. While every other thing on the platform, you must have a basic knowledge about Forex. You must know how to read candlestick and all that, especially the turning point, the trend direction. I talked about all these things last week, but you need to apply your experience before you be able to do all that. So what I'm going to show you guys today is the same.
What happened? I can't hear you again.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, all right. You're still seeing my screen, right?
Very well, yes.
Okay, now let's move on. Let's move on. Let's just do this thing fast. So I believe some of you have activated your device notification. If you've not done that, there's a video for that. I'm going to share it. It's not hard. Just come here to activate your device notification. click on this so that you'll be getting notification. Click here, watch carefully, click this place.
Okay.
It will load you to a page. It will load you to this page. Once this page come up, I'll show you what and what to do. The next thing you need to do is click on this. Click this guy here. Click this guy. Select yes. For your notification, you only do this one once. You click yes, select yes, look at it, click yes. It will load you to a different page. Okay it. Okay it again. This is the token you're going to copy. Okay it again, okay it again, okay. Then you highlight this, just highlight this guy. Highlight it to the ending. Copy everything. Click copy. Then click this place, click here. It will load you to a different page where you'll be able to activate your token. Just this page here, paste it, then submit. Automatically, you're going to see a message that is going to come up telling you that your device is connected. I'm expected to have it here, but I'm not saying it. But that's what it's going to show you. It will show you that your device is connected. So once you see that, that means you are connected to the device. Look at it. You will see this kind of message. If you do not see this message, that means your device connection you have not connected yet. You must see this thing, this message. So once you see it, you are okay. You'll be able to receive alert notification. This is the first step you need to do. Hope you guys understood. Look, as you can see, I'm getting alerts now. It's just coming in. You understand? It's telling me to buy this and all that. So you have to do that. Hope you guys understand this aspect. It's very important.
Yes, I have.
All right, as you can see, my alerts are dropping. So if you want your alert to drop like this, follow this pattern. Once you do it, then the next thing to do again is to activate your SMS. Since you are new guys, we are giving you guys $2 each so that you can pay for your SMS alerts. You understand? $2 is because you newly subscribed. So we're giving you $2. It's how you're going to activate that. Just click here, go back to the menu. Very simple. Very simple. Go back to the menu. Click this 3 line. Hold on, let it load. Click this 3 line. Look at it. SMS alert. This is to enable it to the software to send you SMS alert. Maybe you turn off your data. So long you have a SIM on your phone, that number you can receive SMS alert. Even if you don't have data, you have data, it will be able to come. So these are you activated. And the SMS alert only works from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. So any signal that is coming is going to pile up. So that's why if you get a signal from your SMS, always go to the app and cross-check it very well, because MTN might delay it, or Airtel or Glo, depending on the network you're using. But for you to activate it first, this is how it works. You must activate it before you be able to receive all signal. Just follow me. I'm going to click it now. Look at it. Setup, SMS setup. Click on proceed. Just put your number. If you're in Nigeria, put your number here. The man that is from Cameroon, put your number there. As you can see, we have it available for South Africa, Ghana, Cameroon, and Nigeria. We do not include Cameroon, but just add your number there. So put 234 for Nigerians. I already added my number. All I need to do is click send. Once you click this now, you'll be able to see account is connected. My account is already connected. The next thing you need to do, come back to this place. Click this menu. Click on SMS alert. Activate the notification you want. Very important. Click this guy. Click this guy. Come here. You load. Just select advanced key level. Look at it. Advanced key level. Select only this guy. So these two things I'm showing you, must do it. If not, you're not going to receive alert, be it device or SMS alert. So just select this guy. Click it. Then you program it. It will tell you account has been connected. Then you leave it. You only do this thing that I just showed you once. So once you're done, it is okay. So the next thing we're going to focus on is only these two guys. Only these two things. That's what you need. Only these two guys. Every other thing, trend direction, what's it called? Key level, turning point, and all. You must be an experienced trader before you can use that. Because there are certain things you need to see by your own self before you use it. But this one that I want to show you now, you don't need any experience to do that. Okay. So the first thing, you click on swing trade. Click on this. Select your pair. Select any of the pair. Like the pair they showed me now, which is GBP card. I got a notification from. So let me see what's going on there. It told me to buy, but let me confirm it first. So this is how it is. let's see, as you can see, this is exactly what you need. I've gotten a notification already. I still needed to confirm it. Trend direction, very simple. Trend direction must be up move. After this training, I'm going to take this trade. Trend direction must be up move. Numbers of candle must be in the range of 0, 1, or 2. Finish. So if you're not seeing trend direction, if you're not seeing up move here, you're not seeing down move here, you are seeing none, you move to the next signal if you're checking it manually. Do you understand? Very, very simple. So your candle range must be in between 0, 1, or 2. Finish. That's the only thing you need to look out for. Do you understand? Trend direction, up move or down move. Simple as ABC. Now this one, don't get yourself confused. But anytime you see A here, A means that it is going to drop. If it's buying, it's going to buy very well. If it's selling, it's going to sell very well. But B is like a last phase of the signal and all that. It may sell, but it's not going to be very active when it was in A. But you can still take the trade. But whenever you see A, that means the signal is very, very like close to like 90% plus. You understand? It's going to give you a lot of pips. It can give you, if you take a buy now, it can buy for today, buy tomorrow, buy next tomorrow. But this B you're saying, it can only buy today, tomorrow you might have a drawdown and all that. So this one, A and B, tells you that if you're seeing A, the signal is very, very strong. It just started now. But if you're seeing B, B will give you money, but it's not really as active as A. So this one is just something you know at the back of your head. But this is the basic thing you need to look out for. Up move, numbers of candles 0, 1, or 2. So now we have seen that we are getting up move, 2 candles we can buy. We are not going to buy immediately. The next thing we need to do, go to an inbuilt chart. Very simple. Go to an inbuilt chart. The purpose of the inbuilt chart is for us to know if this our buy, this buy signal is close to a resistance. Resistance is something that is going to block you from moving forward. Do you understand? So if there's a resistance in front of us, we are not going to take that trade. But if the resistance is very far, meaning that we're going to move to hit that resistance. So that's the purpose of the inbuilt chart. So Mr. Angel, you said you don't understand this inbuilt chart. It's very simple. So look at it very well. Hope you guys are hearing me. This is very important. The system might give you, and it might give you signal. If you don't understand this, you go and take trade when you're already close to resistance and support. So we use this inbuilt chart to filter out the trade. You understand? If I look at this trade now and it's already close to resistance, I'm not going to take it. Even if Smash 100 said I should.
We can't hear you again, though. Hello? Hello?
Go ahead. Go ahead. You wanted to say something.
No, I didn't hear you again.
Okay, but
It's
you
like
can hear me now, right?
Very well.
All right, no problem. So let's move on. Like as I was saying, now we've selected our GBP card. You click on this guy here. Look at it, WL. WL simply means that it's going to generate a weekly key level that is going to carry us from Monday to Friday. Why this one, DL, is only going to generate a key level for only today. You understand? Why this one is key level that happened last week, Monday to Friday. So if you're a good trader, you can combine all this to get what you're looking for. But for the sake of this our training, stick to what only weekly key level, which is WL. So I'm going to click on it. You see the line that is going to come up. Look at it. The lines will come up. Now the system told me to buy. Now I am going to buy because this is where my resistance is. My resistance is very far from where my current candle is. Do you understand? My resistance is very far, so I am heading to this place. I can buy with peace of mind. Do you get it? But had it been if I came to this place now, my candle is already close to this resistance, I am not going to take that trade because it has already gotten to its destination. This is very important. You need to understand these aspects. This is a resistance. It's like a blockage, you understand, that is preventing you from moving upward. So if you're already close to this place, you don't need to take the trade again. But now I can take this buy. I can take this buy. After this trade now, I'm going to take this buy. I'll buy to this point because the software said is an uptrend move and is buying. I'm going to buy because there's a space for me to go to this place. At the same time, had it been the software told me to sell, I am going to sell down because the next resistance level, the next support level is here. But if price is already close to this support, I am not going to take the trade. It's as simple as ABCD. This place does not tell you to buy, does not tell you to sell. You only use it to filter out the signal that you've gotten from anything, be it trend direction, be it sniper entry, be it smash 100, because you're taking your signal from smash 100.
Please check. We cannot see your screen again. Your screen. It's not shared.
Okay, you guys were not seeing the screen before.
Yes.
You should have told me now. I just waste my saliva since. Okay, let's go back again. Sure, you guys can see it now.
Yes, sir.
So now, like as I was saying, I said the purpose of this place, this inbuilt chart, is for us to filter out the trade, the signal that we've gotten from smash 100. It told us to buy. First thing first, you select the pair. Second, you load it. Third, you click settings. Let me click the settings so that you see it. You click these settings so that you'll be able to get the key levels. Click on these settings. This is the key level. Do you understand? This is the current key level that is going to carry us throughout this week. You understand? Now, the purpose of this key level is to help us know if there is a resistance for us at the top where we are buying to. And this is the support. You focus on the green and the red. The support, if where we are dropping down to, if we're going down, if there's a support on it, so that we'll know that we cannot take this trade. But for now, this is a clear buying move. This is a clear buying move because there's a space from here to this place, so we can take a trade. You understand? But if this candle, this one you're seeing here, this candle is already close to a resistance, we are not going to take the trade. Do you guys understand?
I think it's my network. I'm not seeing it.
You're not seeing it? Are you not seeing my screen?
Yes, ask Angel if
Are you
doing now?
This network is really disturbing. Now look at it. You guys are seeing what I'm doing, right?
Yeah, I'm seeing now. Yes.
All right. Now to get to this place, first of all, select your candle. You load your pair. You click on settings. You focus on weekly key level. This weekly key level will draw a line for your resistance and support, which is the green and the red. This is going to guide you throughout the week. You understand? Now, if price is already close to this green line, this one, we don't take trade. If it's already close to this, we don't take trade. If it tells us to sell and price is already close to this red, we cannot take trade. If it tells us to buy and price is already close to this line here, we cannot take the trade. Now this signal the software gave us signal to buy GBP card, so we came to this place to see if we can actually buy it. We are going to take the trade because the distance from the candle to this place, there's enough space. We have not gotten to our resistance yet, so we will take our trade. Then we can put our stop loss either below this level or below this level. You understand? And use this place as our target. Simple as ABC. That's how to use this inbuilt chart to filter out our trade. So this inbuilt chart does not tell you to buy or sell. You only use it to filter out the signal you've gotten from trend direction, neutral trend, any of the setup, even your own personal setup. You use this to filter it out. Do you understand? I hope that makes sense. Hope you guys understand it because it's very important. If you not get it right here, even if the software tells you to buy, you don't know how to filter it. You may end up taking a trade when it's already close to resistance or support. Hope you guys understand it.
Very well.
Okay, you've understood it. Mr. Angel, write me a message if you understood it or not. It's very simple. It's just like you're going somewhere. You've gotten to your gate. There's no open gate for you. You no go fit pass. That's your resistance. Do you understand? Then you are coming back again, going back to your house. You reach there, you see that red line, they block you.
What's wrong? I'm seeing your screen, but no audio, no voice.
Can you hear it now? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Now, so before you
And then your
take,
screen has disappeared.
is a network. So before you take all those trades, make sure you use proper risk management. Okay, we already have a risk management app here. Just come here.
Yeah.
Very simple. Please use proper risk management. Your profit must not exceed your capital, except you are flipping account. And flipping account is very dangerous. Click this guy here, risk management. Take your trades small, small. If you want to make big money, put big money in your account. Do you understand? So click here.
Yeah.
If you have your $100, put it. Place your lot size. It's going to tell you use 0.01, only one position. The reason for this is that forex trading is not 100%. If the system can give you 10 trades, 3 might hit stop loss. And this 3, we don't know when it's going to hit our stop loss. It might be your first trade that is going to hit stop loss. That's why you need to plan your lot size very well. So that if you hit stop loss the first one, at least the remaining 7 trades, you may win. You understand? Not when because you see the software is profitable, your first trade, you will now use the whole heavy lot size to take that thing. What if you hit stop loss? Your money is gone. But you using a particular small lot size, even if anything wrong happens, you still have enough money in your account to take your trade. And another thing again that I didn't mention, our stop loss ranges from 70 to 80 pips. We don't use tight stop loss. The reason for that is that we give the market enough room so that you misbehave. At the end of the day, it will still move to our direction if that trade is ours. So we don't use tight stop loss like 10 pips, 20 pips, 30 pips, 50 pips. We don't do that. For you to have the same result I'm having, your stop loss must be 80 pips, maximum 80 pips. Just like the trade I took now, CAD JPY, 80 pips. CAD JPY is 80 pips. It's going to drop, but it's going to take time. Do you understand? It's going to drop. I'll still post the result later. It's going to drop. The reason why I said that GBP card is buying, GBP card is buying, and CAD JPY is selling. You understand? So the trend, the strength is already on JPY. The strength is already on CAD, GBP. Just relax yourself. If you took that trade, calm down. That's trading. Trading does not go in immediately start making profit. There are sometimes immediately you enter, you start seeing profit. There are sometimes you have drawdown up and down and up and down. But at the end of the day, what will happen will happen. So always use proper risk management. Very key. So with this now, I've been able to explain these two things for you guys. That's what you need to focus on. Why the trend direction or be a prophet, you must understand it before you move into that direction. But stick to smash 100 and in chat. So Mr. Angel, hope is you that I'm just focusing on. Do you understand what we've just done now? Please send a message there so that I'll know you've done that. I believe Joshua understood what we are doing here. Joshua, do you understand it?
Okay, yes, I do. But yes,
you're all right. So I'm going to get your feedback maybe before Friday, so that I'll know if you actually made money. Then if you have issues, then we can revisit it again. Because the software is okay, but the only issue I'm always having with people is risk management. You understand?
Yeah.
Risk management.
Ask something there.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So if we have our SL at 80 pips, what is our TP?
Your TP must always be. You can use. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen?
No, I cannot.
Okay. It's going up and down. We always use. Yeah, we always use our key level as TP. Most times, price may not even get to the key level before long we are seeing profits. You understand? Profit is always, our winning rate is always higher than. But if you can have the patience, you can use any of these key level because price will always hit a key level, whether you like it or not. It must test a key level. It may not test it today. It may test it on Friday. All these key level, price must definitely touch them because these are weekly key level. But if you can reduce yours to daily, you will see daily key level. As you can see, this is a Euro GBP, and he has already kissed this key level. Do you understand? But this is a daily key level. Do you understand? So you can use daily, you can use weekly. But me, I prefer to use weekly. If I want to hold my trade, I'll just relax, put my take profits on the weekly key level. Do you understand? Most times, I don't actually leave it to get to the key level. Once I've gotten my target, I run out of the market and wait for another setup. But our stop loss is always 80 pips. The reason is that there are sometimes markets will just spike down. If you are buying, just spike down. Hit that your 30 pips stop loss, 20 pips stop loss. You are out of the market, then the market will now move to where it's going to. So we tend to give it enough room. Now we'll give it enough room and the stop loss is wide. Then we'll now reduce our lot size to match. Even if you're using that 30 pips stop loss, it's still going to match the same thing. But at the end of the day, we are still going to hold on still. When the market starts misbehaving, we are still going to be there. When it head on correct to move to the normal direction, we start making our money. So that's the essence of that wide stop loss. Okay? Is that understood, sir?
Okay.
Yes. So
yeah,
the most important thing is risk management. That's the number one thing. Risk management. Manage your fund very well. At the end of the week, I'll get your feedback. I'll ask you guys how far. Then I'll know what is going on and what, because I always take all the whole trade. You understand? I've seen everything. I know how it works. So if it's a fault from the software, I'll know. But if it's a fault from your risk management, I will still know because I'm taking all the whole trade. So just focus, take your trade, load all your pair. And another thing, I did not show you guys how to load pair for Smash 100. It's very simple. Just come here. I don't know if you guys know it already. Just click on this, load all your pair. Look at it. For the Forex guys, click on this, sets. Just click it. You may select the pairs that you want. Just click, it will load it automatically. So if there's a signal for it, which is up move, 0 candle 1 or 2, you'll be able to do that. But if you want to load all of them, just come here, click swing trade, just click on history. Look at it. Click history. You see everything. Just look at it. Just tap this, load all pair. You can delete all pair. So if I click now, look at it. I have 20 pairs now. If I click load all pair, it will load all the whole 30 something pairs for me. So as the software is giving you signal, it is deleting those signal that it just gave to you. So it's left for you to reload again. Look at it. I've reloaded mine now to 34. So as it's giving me signal, it will be deleting them. So take notes so that you will not get stranded and say you did not receive signal and all that. So once you do this, you're going to be fine. So I believe that is all for now. So just follow what you've learned now. Put it to practice, most especially proper risk management, very key, very, very important. Do you understand? And follow it. So once you start advancing, you can be using the turning point, trend direction, first phase, all those small things. But for now, just use this one to collect small things first and gain the confidence then before you dive into all this stuff. So if you have any other question again, just ask before we move on. We are done for today. Make a go hosting. You understand?
Okay. If I want to ask, it will be on the chart that you opened. That I saw the daily, weekly, and weekly, but I didn't see 1 hour. I didn't see like 30 minutes and 1 hour.
Okay, this one.
Yes, here.
Okay,
I see 1 hour.
Look at it. Let me explain it. If you put 1 hour, look at it. We always leave it at daily because the price, if you open your account, if you open your, what's it called? If you open your MT5, market price is universal in all time frame. I don't know if you know that. Market price is universal in all time frame. So what we are focusing on is market price. It's not the candle. Because if I load this thing to 1 hour now, look at it. If I load, you will not see the candle. Sure, you are seeing it very well. Once I load any key level, you will not see anything. It will be very tiny. Sure, you see it. It will be very tiny. But if I take it to daily, the candle is always wide. That's why I always use. It's not candle formation. Do you understand? Look at it. The candles are big. So if I click WL now, which is the weekly key level, it will generate it for me. I'll be able to see it very clear. You understand? That's the answer. Yeah. So what we are focusing on is this price here. This price, is it close to this key level? How do we check the key level? Just tap it. You see the price. You see it. So is this price close to this one? You just tap it. If it's close to it, we are not going to take it. Do you understand? The same thing. Just see the price. So it's not about candle formation. Do you understand? The reason why we're using daily so that we'll be able to see everything very clear. Is that understood, sir?
Okay. All right. Yes.
All right. So I think we are done. I think we are done. So any other question again? Mr. Angel, any other question? If you're clear, let me know. Send a message if you're clear. Let me see. Send a message, Mr. Angel. Let me get you so that I'll round up. I'll go find money. I'm waiting. No, type fast, type fast. Let's end this.
I don't think he's hearing you. He's busy.
I cannot hear you clearly now. Wow. Don't worry. I'll post this. I'll post this video. Don't read. At least. Now, wow. Well, we are done for today, okay? I'll try and save this video, then send it to him. You understand? This hustling period. So the next time we're going to be having training, maybe if there's a complaint and all that, so I'm going to come here live and do the training, okay? So for now, just practice what I have showed you guys now. Then we can continue for that and get your feedback on Friday. So let's see how it goes. Thank you guys for coming out, okay?
All right. Thank you. We'll give it a try.
All right. Yeah.